Hello, Sudoku friends, boys and girls. Welcome with the last puzzle of today's newspaper of Monday, July the 19th. We have one puzzle left. Puzzle, binary puzzle, yes. And this one will be a number 3121. Yes, the last puzzle was a pain in the ass. Yes, Sudoku with 4 stars. So now an easy one, binary puzzle. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O here, one there, one. Double one here, no, there, no. Double O here, one there, one. Now we have 4 ones in this column, so the rest are O's. Double O here, one there, one. Double O here, one there, one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double one here, no there, no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one here, no there, no. 4 O's we have, so the rest are ones. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one here, no there, no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double one here, no there, no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Then. Let me see. Do I need to compare? Yes, this column and the first column. Oh, 1 empty box, 1 1. Oh, 1 1. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one here, no there, no. We have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Now we need to compare, and I cannot compare the column, so I need to compare the rows. Yeah, we have 3 rows here. Yeah, this one and this one. Oh, 1 1 1 1. Oh, 1 1. Empty box. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double one here, no there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Do I need to compare again? Yeah. Well, we have here 1 2 3 ones, and I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have 1 2 3 4 ones, so this box should be an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Okay. Need to compare. The rows are now in the with the columns now. Well, it's almost the same here. Do we have a double one on? No. We have a double one here. Okay, we need to compare the rows. 1001. This one. This one and that one. 111000 empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. So we have O here, this should be a 1, and we have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Finish in 5 minutes. Alright. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And yeah, have a great and fantastic Monday. And we will meet again tomorrow on Tuesday. See you then. Bye bye for now.